What you can also do is use the pre-filled link option inside of Google Forms and then generate out data from Google Sheets. So to do that, I'm going to go around, click on the three dot icon over here, and then click on get pre-filled link right here. So once I do that, you can go around over here and select out the date. Let's say, for example, I'm going to select out 19th of May right here, and then I'm going to say yes for would you visit again, and click on get link right here, and then copy out the link. So once I copy out the link, I'm going to go around and paste it out in my Google Sheets right here. And once you do that, you can see that this is where the date is. 2022/5/19 is the date, whereas the entry yes is over here. So you can see that it is quite predictable right here. You can go around and notice out the data that has been entered. So now what you can do is you can go around and paste out this link. I'm going to press equals over here on my keyboard. And if you want to know more about Google Sheets, you can see the playlist on my Google Sheets tutorial series as well to learn more about it. So I'm going to go around and keep everything inside of inverted comma till the date that I have right here. So I'm just going to go around, and this is the date right here, as you can see. And within the date, I'm going to go around and type in and right here. So there you go. Within that, I'm going to add in and right here. And then after that, I'm going to add in inverted comma over here again. And in the place of yes as well, I'm going to type in and right here. So just like this, I'm going to go around right here, and in the and, I'm going to go around and select a space. Let's say I'm going to go around, select this space right here, that is an E2, and I'm going to erase out the date right here, just like this. And then I'm going to select out this space right here. Let me just press enter, and it says error right now. That is because I forgot an and over here. So I'm just going to add in an ampersand and right here, press enter, and you can see that it has taken these two very values right here, and then the link is empty. So I'm going to go around and say enter date, and then I'm going to say, let's say yes or no right here. So I'm going to say this is going to be a yes. So let me just go around and type in yes for this one. And then I'm going to go around over here. And for this one, I'm going to go around and type in the date in this very format itself. So 2022 and 2023 maybe, and then this is going to be 07 and 08. So let me just do that right here. So it hasn't taken the formula correctly, so I'm just going to go around and then keep this out as not D2, but over here the enter date right here, and then instead of E2, I'm going to select the yes or no right here. So this is what you have, as you can see right here, just like this. And the data right here is supposed to be inside of inverted comma over here, and press equal to. That is because that is how we need to generate it. And you can see that this is what you have right here. You can see that it says yes right here, and there's another data. So if I were to click on this link, you will get the new date entered out, as you can see right here. So let me just go around and pull this out right here, and then I'm going to pull out this date over here as well, and pull out the yes or no condition. Let me just type in no right here, and instead of the date right here, I'm just going to go around and say 2024, and let's say this is going to be 909 right here. And if I were to go around and click on this one, you can see that the form data gets filled out accordingly. So that is how you can generate out pre-filled data links of Google Forms using Google Sheets, and you can utilize this for various interactive things, as you can see right here. So that is how you can create pre-filled links from Google Sheets for Google Forms. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.